camera.
Hi, this is Wyatt. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear
Mr. Daniel.
Mr. Daniel. Happy birthday to you. It's a special day. It's a special day. Special day for you. Who N-I-G-E-E. It's a special day for you. Happy birthday, Mr. Daniel. Bye. How old are you?
You're not 30, are you?
You're not 30, are you?
Wow.
Wow. That's old.
No, baby,
Hey, he put Wyatt out of class and
that's true.